Welcome to this detailed guide for your new Nayati Gas Steamer with boiler, model NGSB 990CE. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know, from installation requirements to daily operation and troubleshooting. Let's get started. Before any installation begins, the first and most important step is to familiarize yourself with the unit's nameplate. You'll find it conveniently located right here on the left side panel. This plate contains the DNA of your appliance. You'll see the model type, which confirms you have the NGSB 990CE, a unit that is certified for European standards. You'll also find the unique serial number. Most critically, pay close attention to the gas and electrical specifications. The plate clearly states the required gas type, whether it's natural gas, G20, or LPG, G30, and the precise gas pressure it needs to operate safely, such as 20 or 30 millibars. It also confirms the electrical power needed, which for this unit is a single-phase 230-volt supply. Ensuring your site's utilities match these specifications is the key to a safe and successful installation. Now let's cover the 4 key connections for installation: water, electricity, gas, and drainage. First, the water supply. Your main water line connects to this 3/4-inch inlet. Because this is a high-performance boiler unit, water quality is paramount for its longevity and efficiency. We strongly recommend that your water supply has a maximum of 100 parts per million in total dissolved solids, and that you use soft water to prevent scale buildup inside the boiler. Your incoming water pressure should be stable between 3 and 6 bar, with 3 bar being the optimal pressure for consistent operation. Next up is the electrical supply. This unit requires a single-phase 230-volt AC connection. Inside the access panel, you'll find the terminal block for a standard 3-wire setup. As you can see, the wiring is color-coded. The brown wire is for live, the blue wire is for neutral, and the green and yellow wire is for a proper ground connection. Now for the gas connection. The gas inlet is a 1-inch fitting located here at the front of the unit for easy access. We highly recommend using a durable, flexible stainless steel gas hose, which is designed to withstand the demanding conditions of a professional kitchen. And remember, I cannot stress this enough. The gas type and pressure from your supply line must exactly match what is written on the nameplate we looked at earlier. Finally, let's look at the drainage system. There are 2 drains. This one in the center is the main tank drain, controlled by a ball valve. Keep it closed during operation. To drain the entire tank for cleaning, simply turn the lever to the open, straight position. The second drain is for overflow. It catches any excess water from the top surface during cleaning or any condensation from the steam and safely channels it away. Both of these should be properly connected to a floor drain. Let's take a tour of the steamer's controls. Everything you need for daily operation is right here on the front panel. These 2 levers control the water flow. The first one operates the main swivel faucet, which is perfect for filling pots. The second lever activates the deck cooling nozzles. These nozzles spray a gentle stream of water across the top surface, which serves 2 purposes. It helps you clean away spills, and it keeps the surface cool to prevent deformation during high-temperature use. The large dial in the center is the main control lever. It has 4 positions, a vertical off position, and 3 operational levels, which we will cover in a moment. To the side, you'll see a green indicator light, which illuminates to let you know the power is on and the burners are active. Below it is a reset button. This is used exclusively for resetting the system after a gas fault alarm. Lastly, on top of the unit, you'll find the steam damper lever, which opens and closes the steam flow to the cooking area, and the 2 flue gas vents, which safely release the hot exhaust from the burners below. Operating the steamer is simple and intuitive. Let's walk through the 3 heating levels. To begin, turn the control lever to position 1. You will hear the burners ignite and the green power light will turn on. At this level, both burners are active, but a thermostat regulates them to maintain a gentle simmering temperature of 85 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect setting for delicate foods or for holding products at a ready-to-serve temperature. Next, turn the lever to position 2. This activates the half-power mode. In this setting, only the left burner will operate, but it will run continuously without a thermostat. This provides a steady, consistent flow of steam for a wide range of cooking tasks. For maximum output, turn the lever to position 3. This is full power mode. Here, both burners will ignite and run continuously without a thermostat, generating the maximum possible amount of steam. This level is designed for rapid boiling and handling high-volume cooking during your busiest periods. Remember to use your steam damper effectively. Close it when you are loading or unloading food to keep the steam contained. Once your product is inside, open the damper to allow the powerful steam to flow into the cooking chamber. When you're finished cooking, simply return the control lever to the vertical off position to shut down the unit. In the rare event that your unit shuts down and you hear a loud, continuous buzzing sound, do not be alarmed. This is an important safety feature indicating a gas supply error. The cause is typically simple. Either the main gas valve has been closed, the gas tank is empty, or the supply pressure is too low. The first step is to check your main gas supply and rectify the issue. Once you have confirmed that the gas supply is restored, simply press the reset button on the front panel. The alarm will immediately stop, the burners will reignite, and the unit will return to normal operation. If the alarm continues to sound, even after you have checked the gas supply and pressed the reset button, please turn the unit off and contact a certified Nayati service technician for assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Nayati Gas Steamer, NGSB 990 CE.